One of my favorite ways to use Seesaw in the classroom is by utilizing the folders. When I assign activities, I can put activities directly into folders, for example, math or for word work during literacy centers. The way to do this is to tap on the wrench and go to student settings, class settings, and you'll scroll to the bottom where it says manage folders. Not only did I put the title of each folder, I added a little emoji so that they know what the folders were. And then I definitely color coded them. So once you create the folders, when you assign activities, then the activities will go directly into the folders. For example, when I assigned this activity 10 more, 10 less, then it goes right into, you can see the math folder. I can also differentiate and assign different groups, different activities. But then during math time, the students know to go to the math folder. I also created the directions for word work and then also math, so the students know how to access the folders.